Hey guys, I was in the market for a micro SD card. This is a memory card that you use for cameras, mobile phones, that kind of thing. With SD cards, there are two types. There's the standard SD card and the one which I am after, the micro SD card. And my two favorite places to go shopping online is Amazon and eBay. Okay, so go into Amazon, then type in 512 micro SD card, and then sorting from price low to high, I get a few options. As you can see, they are all unbranded, and the cheapest price here is $25.99. Okay, and then I'll do something similar with eBay. So I'll sort it with lowest price, including postage and packaging, and then select the buy now button ones only. I'm not interested in the auction bids, and I get two, well, actually one £23 plus £2.45, so that's £25.45, the cheapest one, and the second one is £36. So I kind of expected more on eBay, but it seems you seem to get more selection on Amazon. And these actually look like quite good prices, because if you compare SD card prices for this amount of memory between the unbranded and branded SD cards, there is quite a big saving. With the branded, the cheapest branded SD card is £60. Then I think it was an advert which popped up, but it's told me to go to wish.com if I was interested in SD cards. So I went there. It works through your mobile phone or through a desktop browser. I'll show you what you can see right now if you do go to it on your phone. Okay, just here it is on the app. So I'm just going to type in SD cards 512 and see what comes up. And as you can see, there's loads of them, and look at the prices. They're so cheap. You know, it's like £2, £3 free. This one says free. You have to pay delivery, but it says free. But you know what you do is it has all the sizes. So if you add to it, add to the cart, and then you can select. You can see how much it costs. That's £6 there for 512. So £6 versus £25, the cheapest on Amazon and eBay. This one here, £2. This one's £5. Let's look at some more. Okay. Huawei, that's like the same as the one on eBay. This one says it's free. You have to pay shipping. So it's okay. I've added to the cart. Let's see how much shipping is. £3. So for £3, you essentially get a 512 megabyte SD mini micro SD card. I mean, you can't beat £3. That's almost 10 times cheaper than the cheapest on Amazon or eBay. Wow. So the temptation was too great, and I did order. Just want to show you that that I did order this. I didn't get the £3 one, which I just showed you, but this was actually done a few weeks ago. I made the order on the 26th of July, and 2 weeks later, 9th of August, it arrived. Okay, and having a look at this, you get the micro USB adapter. It's USB 2, which is not the fastest, not the newest. And as you can see, it says Huawei, which is the branded Chinese supplier, and you get an adapter. And what's interesting is if you look at the back, you don't see anything which says Huawei. You don't have an address. The packaging looks quite generic. Okay, so I thought I'd do some testing on this to see how it would work. Sticking it into my Windows PC, just do a sort of right click and properties. It does report 500 meg, but what is interesting is it says that 100 meg is already used, despite it being clean. I've just recently formatted it, so there's nothing on there, so I don't know how that is. And then I run a speed test using a bit of software called SpeedOut, and as you can see, it isn't the U3 class that it's reporting. The read speed is significantly lower, as also the writing speed. A U3 card, as you can see in the chart, needs to be 30 megabytes per second, and you need a U3 to be able to do HD videos as a minimum. And then I use a bit of software called a fake flash test, which writes data to the card to see if there are any errors, and lo and behold, after it gets to a certain point, there are errors writing. So it is quite clever because it is reporting the 500 meg available, but it is actually significantly less. I think it's about 20 meg and running at a much lower speed. So if you haven't guessed it, this card is fake, and if you look on the internet, fake memory cards are rampant. They are everywhere, and if you're looking to get a cheap memory card, it's very, very unlikely that you will find a genuine bargain. I think it's best just to keep to the main brands that manufacture memory cards. Don't go with the generics, which especially ones which are dirt cheap, because most likely they are all going to be just like this, a fake. You also need to be careful where you buy, because as you can see on the eBay sites, I think a lot of the really cheap ones are definitely fake, and even on Amazon, you've got to be careful. So do look at the reviews before you buy anything, just to check it's all okay. So if you do spot a fake, get right back to the store that you bought it from. They will most likely be happy to refund you. I've done the same with my my Wish order, and they have refunded. So all is good. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and I look forward to seeing you soon.